So today I'm going to work on a process video for the Counterfeit Kit Challenge, and I really like this one. Let me try to read this properly so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's out with the old and in with the new. So it's a new year and a time to think about the classic saying, out with the old and in with the new. Your challenge today is to check through your kits to identify the newest and oldest items in there and then use both of them on a layout. And don't forget to let us know how old these products are. Let's see who has the longest time difference. All right, so I went in my kit, and a lot of my papers, I don't know. This is 2012 is this paper here. So let's see if it beats this out. Okay, 2012 paper right there will be my oldest. And it's just my mind's eye on the bright side. And if you look at this, it's just a really whitewashed kind of wood grain. I would buy like 10 of these today. So isn't that kind of cool? The background, I've used this before. Oh, it is beyond gorgeous. But alas, today I'll be using this one. And then for my newest product that I'll be using today, I have the Indigo Hills 2 mini puffy stickers by Pink Fresh. And they're from 2018. So I'll make sure that both, getting a little glare there. I'll make sure both of these get used. I'm also going to try, I was originally, before I saw how old that paper was, to try to see if I can use a good amount of these stickers. So I'm still going to concentrate on that. But this is my oldest and my newest. So what I'm going to do is get started and just speed it up a tiny bit and take you along with me. Here we go. I'll tell you what I did, because I did lose the video footage for this. I was going ahead and looking at this Scrap Squad week number 30 scrap lift. And you can tell that mine is not terribly different. Okay, of course, it's super different. But I started with what I saw in the Scrap Squad with this long rectangular piece here. And then just the smaller bit of detail down here. Now, they do have their journaling and word strips across this way. And I might go ahead, I think I'll do that with you, and put some black splatty bits in a couple places. So the photo that I have here, this is a photo of my oldest daughter, Shay, with her boyfriend, Nick. And they went on vacation at the end of the summer. So when internships finally wrapped up, sorry, I'm shaking this bottle and that bothers some people. Internships wrapped up for the summer and they finally got a chance to do a little relaxing. So Suttons Bay is in northern Michigan. It's an adorable, tiny little town, kind of close to Traverse City. Because, Traverse City is like the big place to go to in northern Michigan. But Suttons Bay should not be missed. It's adorable. So, and that's a picture that Nick sent to me because he was being ever so kind as to give me a few pics. All right, that's about how much they had in the scrap left, so I'm not going to do more than that. So what else can I tell you? So what I did is I did use my oldest product, which was this background paper by My Mind's Eye. And then my newest product were these letters right here by Pink Fresh Studio. So I worked my way through the kit. I used these great letter stickers here that I really liked. I used this frame that was in, where is it? This set right here. Was this Wild Child or something like that? This one right here by Pink Paisley. Just use the frame because I like the colors and I liked a little bit of a different pop of pattern. These two pieces right here were absolute little scrap offcuts that I'm using with this sheet here. It's a Christmas sheet, but not on this side. So I used a couple of those kind of pieces of paper that do just enough to give you a little bit more contrast, a little bit more interest, really. So once I got through everything that was in my kit, oh, these cute little red gems are in my kit, as well as these nice black gems are in my kit. Then I started looking through, I have a bit of a product list that I always kind of have going on of things I'd like to be using, that week, that month, however it is. Now, wood veneer were on there, so I went ahead and grabbed 3 of them. I did have next to me right over there some puffy stickers. I have, let's see these great ones right here? They're by American Crafts Remarks puffy stickers, and it's just random stars, hearts, and circles. So trying to work through that little fella. So I grabbed those. I had this stamp right here already loaded onto a block, so I went for it. That is from Amy Tan. Gave me just a little something extra right there on my page. And what else did I add? Oh, this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, as well as this. I popped all of those up on, you know, just the fun foam, the craft foam that's, you know, in the kids section of the craft aisles. And I like the kind, if I can, that's adhesive on one side. No big deal. I pick it up at Michael's with a half off coupon. It comes to like $4 for a big pack, which I buy like maybe twice a year I buy those. This little tag right here it's really, really cute. They're just relaxing. So I went ahead and popped a little hole and used just a little bit of this twine from my black color drawer. This year I am trying to be extremely aware that in every layout, just taking a peek, seeing if I can use something from my color drawers. I don't know if you know that, but I'm really concentrating on color drawers so strongly. And, you know, I think I want just a little bit more black. This is Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, by the way. It is in Black Magic. I have had this mist forever. And now when it dried, I have a bit of a black outline, but I have gold kind of showing through more than anything. So I think, and it does not flick very well. So I thought I could use just a little extra because it is not showing up super strong. Come on, Mist. Don't you want to be on here? It's coming off a lot more gold than anything. There we go, a little bit up there. So I just got a little bit. See how bad it is? Some of these flick beautifully, and some like to fight with us. Okay, that's a little better. I print on a Canon Selfie, and it lets me just wipe mist right off, which is like the best thing about the Canon Selfie. See, right off. Okay, so I think that's it for this layout to share with you. It's just fun and whimsical and using yet more pieces from my kit, which I love to do. And this is a photo taken in August, but they're not on the beach. So I just thought to go with slightly brighter colors, you know, that really nice pop of the aqua / turquoise, a little, this says you color my rainbow. Oh, and also I didn't bring this in. On my desk right there, I keep a couple of sets of rub-ons because I will be killing off my rub-on stash this year. Now, not all of them have been working. Like these gold ones do not work. Like, I'm sure there's something very different that happens with metallic rub-ons and plain, but yeah, metallic haven't been working. When they don't work, that's great, no big deal. I either take a white eraser and rub it right off because it comes off like, you know, those little bits that get stuck. And have it come off that way, or I just cover it. Not even going to worry about it at all. But yes, rub-ons are yet another one of my product focuses. And I will be focusing on them on every layout until they are used up and gone. Yeah, that's how I'm approaching my my product focuses for this year is use it till it's gone, and then I'll be happy, and I will know that my stash is getting a little bit of time out of I don't know. I was going to say out of the closet, but my stash is not in a closet. It's in bins. But I am using what I have, and I'm so excited about that. So I hope you like what I did here today. I love it. And I will be back with another Counterfeit Kit challenge layout in about a week or so. I'm really excited about that one. It's about a sketch, so I can't wait to show it to you. All right, friends, I will see you ever so soon. Once again, I hope you like what I did here, and yeah, I'll see you in a couple minutes. Oh, also, if you want any comments, go ahead or leave comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm really loving the comments I've been getting lately, and if you want to like and subscribe, that would be incredibly cool. And right about here, if you want to hit the notification button to be notified when I have another video go up, that would be cool too, because I put them up every couple days or so. Sometimes more than one a day. It just depends on how the collabs are going and all that. All right, friends, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.